Ajmo clap sync, može 3, 4.
Hello and welcome to my new video. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing this Insta360 GO camera, the tiny mighty camera, action cam actually. So yes, today we are at Vito's house,
Hello.
aka Vitography.
Hello.
So yes, we have this nice microphone that makes me wanna sing, but we won't be singing today. First, let's see what do we have listed on this box. We get Insta360 GO 2 by itself with its charging case, charging cable, this pendant, easy clip, pivot stand, and yes, the manual. Here we can see that the case is meant for storage, remote, and it can be used as a tripod. And on this side we can see it has flow state stabilization. It's hands-free. We can use different mounts to, I don't know, mount it on a hat, or we'll see later we can mount it actually on a shirt, our shirt, with magnets, and yeah, mount anywhere. It can record at 2.7K 50 FPS. It's waterproof, auto editing in the Insta360 GO app, and the camera has a few filming modes like hyperlapse and slow motion, and yeah, the case can be used as a remote control. Also, it has a Wi-Fi preview. So yeah, now we will use this nice knife to unbox. Unzoom a little, like so. Okay, very nice. Focus. Yes. So yeah, let's open the box. Finally, we will use this knife, or let's unbox it. I never cut so politely before. Okay, so let's actually get into the box. Finally. Ooh, we have a really nice preview of the camera. When we open the box, first thing we see, it's a camera actually. Oh, man, it's small. Well, real nice. Think big. Yeah, nice. And actually, I think it's, yes, it's on the pendulum actually. It's magnetized, and in the box we get it stuck on with the magnet. Very nice. So let's take off this camera, unzoom a little, so you can see like that. Okay, we can move the knife out of the way. Very nice. So here's the pendulum, like so. This pendant is used to be put under your shirt, and then your camera can sit. Oh, it's magnetized in one way. The camera gets put over your shirt, so, and it's stuck on. Okay, let's get further into the box and see what else do we get. Here's the manual. We won't need that. We got further into the box, and here's our nice little case in which we will carry our little camera. It's very nice. It's actually pretty heavy. Feel it. Here's a 1/4-inch mount for mounting the case with the camera on a stand, and USB-C for charging. And this case actually has like 2 legs, and it can be like open, nice, and it can be used as a little stand. Very nice. So we will take this sticker off. So we expose the contacts for charging the camera, and all the data transfer is done through this. Actually, this camera doesn't have a micro SD slot. It's all integrated memory, 32 gigabytes, and we can use 28 gigabytes of that memory, because other 4 is used for the software and all those things. Yes, we will put the camera now in, and we can see that it starts charging, this red dot, and of course we get nice Chinese letters, which doesn't mean anything to me, but it says press to connect. Connecting. Ooh, now it vibrates and the dot got blue. English, yes, we want English. Set to English, yes. Now we enter the video mode. So the screen flickers on this camera because the shutter speed doesn't match the refresh rate of the screen, but in real life it doesn't flicker like that. And on the screen, when we open the case, we get initial information like how much storage do we have left, recording ratio, recording resolution, and we can close the case, and now it vibrates, and I believe it shuts down. Yes, okay, now it charges the little camera. Let's see what it says here. The charger case is not waterproof. Please make sure go to is dry and clean before placing it in the charging case. Okay, nice, very nice case actually. Yes. So we put that aside, and here we have the easy clip, as they call it. It mounts on a hat. Actually, let's try that. Vito, do you have a hat?
Yep.
Okay, so now we got a hat to try it on. Now we can mount it on the hat like this, like so. Let's see. Wow, nice. Okay, and we can adjust where we want the camera to look at. And now we can take the little camera out of its charging case like so and put it in, and it just clicks in with magnets. Actually, in this case we have to put it in the right orientation like this, and now it clips in. Very nice. Let's try it on. We will try to film with that easy clip. I imagine it will be fun. So yes, let's zoom back.
Here's a GoPro clip.
We can see the GoPro actually. It's Hero 7 Black. We have right here. So we can see the comparison of the size with the Insta360 GO 2. Here's the GoPro and the Insta360. We'll zoom a little bit more. They both have replaceable lenses. This Insta360 GO actually also has a replaceable lens. If you take it off, it's not waterproof without it, as the GoPro. And here we have the easy clip, and now we hope the head doesn't fall. How does it look compared to Insta360?
I think it's a bit smaller.
Here's the before, and here's the after. And yeah, I want this camera to be charged, so we will put it back into the case. I really love it so much. Yeah. It's like a wireless headphones box. It's a really nice design actually. Very nice.
Wireless headphones.
Yeah, wireless headphones. Yeah. Also, we have these for the
We
comparison.
have all
Very nice.
Not sponsored by Samsung.
Not sponsored
by Samsung.
Samsung. Pivot stand, yes. Let's unzoom a little so we can see it. This is a pivot stand. We get it also. I imagine you can put this around your wrist, and they in the commercial video use it underwater. So when you use the little camera underwater, so you don't lose it. When you use it underwater, they advertise you to put it in, and you can like grab it, and you can use it like this. It's real nice how the magnets are pretty strong. Like actually, I didn't expect it to be like. It's even hard to take it off out from the case, and it has this like wall mount. I think that each time before you use it, you just put water over it and it sticks to different surfaces. That's really nice. We'll try that out too. Okay, let's put it back into charge. Nice. And in the end, we get this USB-C Insta360 GO branded cable. That's like 1 meter long. That's used to actually charge the case and the camera by itself. So here we have a power bank actually, so we can plug this in. It's a quick charge power bank. I don't know if the Insta360 GO has quick charging, but yeah, you plug it in here and now it charges. So we will just power on the power bank, and here is it. The case is charging and the camera is also charging. Very nice. So we will put that aside to charge, and yeah, in the end, very nice. A pack of do not eat. And now we will let the camera charge a little, and then we will go and test it out.